Hi there. I'm Mrs. Lisa Etherington. I'm the Family and Community Ambassador here at Mariposa. I love meeting new parents and connecting with you. And one of my favorite things is connecting new parents to each other. And one of my very favorite ways of doing that is through something called parenting partners. Some of you may have seen some of our promotions for parenting partners or heard me talk about it with you on the phone. Some of you may have even come to one of our courses in the past, but I just wanted to tell you a little bit more about it. Um, the teachers here at Mariposa are all very educated. They have degrees. Some of them have a few degrees. But even though they are so highly educated, they continue to go to professional development courses throughout the year so that they can be the very best teachers that they can be. And so I kind of want you to think about parenting partners as being professional development courses for you, the parents. Because even though your kids are here on campus with our excellent teachers for many hours a day, the main teachers and influencers in their lives are you, their family. So Lancaster School District wants to invest in you as parents. So, like I said, think of this as professional development courses for you. They're free, they're really fun, they're interactive. And it's not just me sort of standing in front of a classroom, downloading all this content to you, these passive learners. No, we actually want a lot of input from you. And yes, it's true that I will be teaching you some really excellent, practical parenting tools. We really rely on the dialogue between you parents and us. That's why we're parenting partners. And so there'll be a lot of things that we discuss that you'll get to go home and test out in your family setting, then come back and discuss it amongst yourselves. And, you know, I'm amazed at how many times just a little practical tweak of an already good strategy that you have at home really will help you feel a little bit more confident and able. And then we kind of discuss our challenges and successes with one another. So our graduates have commented after the ends of these courses that they don't want them to end, partly because they've learned a lot and partly because they've met one another. So some of them have even come to the course twice. So the workshops are 6 weeks long. And if you attend 5 out of the 6 workshops, you will receive a certificate. And what we've done is we've adapted what we used to do in person on campus, which we hope to do again soon, but we've adapted that to a virtual setting. And we actually did our first virtual last year in English. And so our first one that we're going to do this year will be right after the Christmas break. It will be on January 26th, which is a Wednesday at 9 a.m. And that'll be for Spanish speakers only. And we'll run that one every Wednesday from 9 to about 10:30 for 6 weeks. And then after the spring break, we'll launch another one for English speakers. And that will start on March 30th. And that will also run for 6 weeks. And it'll be the same time frame, 9 to 10:30. So, we don't mind if when you come to the Parenting Partners classes, if you're holding your baby, if the cat walks across the screen, if your toddler spills his milk, we don't care. That's just the nature of being in a family. We'd rather have you there and on camera as much as possible for the whole experience. Um, so please sign up on the Google form on my website, and there'll be a link in the box below. And we have a deadline a little bit early for the Spanish speaking one. The deadline is going to be down there in the box as well. So make sure you sign up by the deadline because it'll give you plenty of time to stop by the office and pick up this really great packet of your workbooks, of some really fun supplies and even snacks and hot drinks. So you want to make sure that you sign up in time and get all your gear so that you're ready for the very first session. And then we always start out at 9:05 with a raffle. So you always want to be on time. And then we end it with another raffle so that you don't miss a single minute of all the fun. You know, even though it's a challenge to meet one another through this particular last couple of years, you will get a chance to meet each other and have some good conversations. And you know, everyone benefits when our parents feel more engaged in the lives of their children and in the lives of the school. So we really want you there. And this is different than any other parenting class you're going to see throughout the city, because these aren't just strangers, these are Mariposa families. So we're all going to be better equipped. So just take some time. You're going to grab your coffee or your hot drink that I provide for you, and just some time, spend some time investing in yourselves, because this is a super important aspect of your life. And then when you're signing up on my website, take a couple of minutes and take a look at the different photos and some of the stories of some of our parents who have attended these in person or online. Maybe you know some of them, maybe they might be someone that you want to model your life after. So until then, we'll see you on Zoom. See you there.